Welcome to online classes. Before explaining in the second recording, I will refer some sentences as a continuation and reference. While Halloween and costumes have only recently found their way into India's vocabulary, our villages and cities have lived through decades of lore revolving around agonist spirits, revenge-seeking ghosts, and hunting apparitions. Gargi Gupta goes on an armchair tour of some India's most haunted places. A spook sells, think of Harry Potter or Twilight series, or the success of recent films like Annabelle and The Conjuring, and its event that more and more people like really good scare. Now I'll explain from here. Now wonder then that haunted places are the new tourist hotspot. Hotspot means it is not like coronavirus hotspot. It is a special, everybody wanted to visit that spot. Explanation 1. There is no surprise that the haunted places are the new tourist place that is popular for entertainment. Explanation 2. There is no miracle as the haunted place are the new traveler place where they can enjoy the thrilling sight. Explanation 3. There is no amazement that the haunted place are the new popular visiting place so that the visitors can enjoy the spots and feel the suspense at the site. Now from the book, you only have to go down to Bhangar in Rajasthan to see the who drive down 5 hours from Delhi to check out the ghostly reputation. Explanation 1. The narrator Gargi Gupta says that we only have to down to Bhangar in Rajasthan to see the crowd and drive down from Delhi to Bhangar by 5 hours. Then we can watch the spooky distinction, means can watch the unnatural distinction. Explanation 2. The narrator Gargi Gupta advised us that we have to go down Bhangar fort in Rajasthan and observe the mob there, and we may drive down to Bhangar from Delhi by 5 hours journey by car and realize its scary reputation. Explanation 3. The narrator Gargi Gupta tells us that we have to go there by car from Delhi to Bhangar fort in Rajasthan. Driving time shall be taken on 5 hours from Delhi to Bhangar in Rajasthan. There we can observe the mass and we may check out the unreal reputation, means eminence, unreal eminence. Now from book. Since last year, Guide Trip, an internet-based facilitator of theme-based tours in India and few places abroad, has been offering a haunted walk. Explanation 1. Since last year, Guide Trip, an internet-based mediator of topic-based journey in India and a few places overseas, has been presenting a haunted walk. Explanation 2. Since last year, Guide Trip, an internet-based presenter of idea-based excursion in India and a few places in foreign countries, has been contributing a haunted walk. Explanation 3. Since last year, Guide Trip, an internet-based coordinator of subject-based trip in India and a few places abroad, has been donating a haunted walk. Now, from book, guide trip has taken tourists around Bhangar and Kuldhara in Rajasthan, Mehroli and a few cemeteries in Delhi, Mukesh Mills in Mumbai and Karshiang near Darjeeling. Next month it plans to take a group to Lambi Dehar mines in Mussoorie, the places that rank among the most haunted in India. Now expansion 1, conduct trip has taken travelers all over Bhangar and Kuldhara in Rajasthan, Mehroli and a few graveyards in Delhi, Mukesh Mills in Mumbai and Karshiang near Darjeeling. Next month to conduct trip plans to take a group to Lambi Dehar mines in Mussoorie, places that stand among the most cursed in India. Explanation 2, escort trip has taken visitors throughout Bhangar and Kuldhara in Rajasthan, Mehroli and a few churchyards in Delhi, Mukesh Mills in Mumbai. Next month, the same organization plans to take a group to Lambi Dehar mines in Mussoorie, places that grade among the most possessed in India. Explanation 3, attended trip has taken explorers on all sides of Bhangar and Kuldhara in Rajasthan, Mehroli and a few burial grounds in Delhi, Mukesh Mills in Mumbai and Karshiang near Darjeeling. Next month, the same facilitator plans to take a group to Lambi Dehar mines in the Mussoorie, places that rank among the most otherworldly places in India. Now, I will give you the word meaning. Whatever I explained from that, please open your homework copy and write down the word. Please do not carry your rough copy. Now write 1. Ghosts. 2. Myths. 1 spelling ghost, Ghosts, ghosts, already in the book. Number 2 myths, Myths. Number 3 folklore. Number 4 legends. Number 5 choose. 6 believe. 7 dismissive. 8 existence. 9 article. 10 excerpt. 11 is not there. 12 vocabulary. 13 lore. 14 spirit. 15 success. 16 scare. 18 wonder. 19 ghostly. 20 reputation. 21 facilitator. 22 abroad. 23 theme. 24 offering. 25 rank. Serial number 11 not there, leave it. So 24 words you can write in your copy and do the homework. I am holding this page so that you can take the snapshot of this page. That is the end of this lesson for Monday, this today on 8th June.